Hello there. Let's try and create our own template in Google Slides. First, start with a blank presentation, of course. Once inside here, we need to change our view here so we can streamline our theme building process or our template building process. On the upper left section, there should be a view options. Click on the theme builder, and this is how it should look like. You'll notice on the layouts, there's going to be a lot here. And then there's going to be a master slide. They're called theme. So first thing, rename your presentation, of course. I'm going to name this one Template 1. Perfect. Also on the theme section or the master list, if you change a font size here, a font style, it will apply all throughout the list of your slides. For example, if I change from Arial, I'm going to go for Georgia. That will apply all throughout my slides there. And so on and so forth, as long as you're using the master theme slides. Now if you want to make individual changes, of course, choose one of each right there. And that should do it. Do not forget to save your slide by clicking on the share button right there, and you'll be good to go.